Conversation AI lacked a centralized contextual record of past interactions, making audits, reviews, and insight extraction difficult. So, we're glad to include automatically generated conversation summaries and full transcripts for every conversation AI session. Let's check how to use this feature. Head to the Conversation AI tab inside the AI Agent section and select an existing bot or create a new one. Go to the Bot Goals tab. Enable Conversation Summary. Configure the conversation summary settings to personalize the summary to your needs. This helps you gain full visibility into AI conversations, covering all new inbound and outbound messages, making it easy to audit conversations, include information in workflows, and improve FAQs. Now you can automatically generate conversation summaries and full transcripts for every conversation AI session, making it easier to connect with customers by providing actionable insights from AI-driven conversations. We hope you enjoy it.